I'm Harley, and that's Nara. But you can't hear her, or you can't see her. Whatever. Today, we're going to be teaching you how to make an intro. Well, I'm going to be teaching it. Nara's alongside me, and you know what I'm talking about. You know. Boom. Let's do this. Let's go into the video in 3, 2. Oh yeah, we're teaching you how to make an intro. In 3, 2, 1.
Hey, what's up? It's me, Harley J, and today I'm teaching you how to make an intro. You already know because I already did that intro with Nara. So you know what? Let's start the video. Today we have 2 clips. Well, right now we're in Final Cut Pro X, which is definitely a paid software, but there is a free 90-day trial, which is 3 months if you know what I mean. Well, you do know what I mean if you know math. But yeah, so right now we're going to start off with 2 clips in Final Cut. And it's 2 clips, easy, right? Yeah, easy. There are 2 clips of actually just photos, the still images, graphic design that I created. One is just this image of I actually don't know what this is. I've just always seen it in film because I'm a filmmaker. And since I'm a filmmaker, I have all these cameras and I have this cool HJ thing. Now this is not my logo, not my branding. And branding is important to have a YouTube channel, but you know what? It's fine for it today. So I want to start off by having these 2 clips, and I'm just making it so one is like a circle or something, like a shape that represents what you do, which is good to have, and then with just a white background or the same background that your logo is placed on, which is another piece of graphic design. Now you can create all this with Canva, which is or any other graphic design software. Which Canva is free. There is a pro version and a paid version, which is actually the same thing, but whatever. So we have white background here. See, we have white background here, and we have white background here, which means we can connect these 2. How? By clicking on this one, going to here, going to the beginning, then going to here, go to transform, go to scale, make a keyframe, then go to the end of this clip, which is, well, a few frames before. Then zoom in so much and keep this zooming in. Keep zooming. Zoom in. Zoom. Gotta zoom as far as you can. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna place this right here. It's right on top. See? And see, that's already there. So now we're gonna grab this and make it really small. Make this really small, like that, really small. Then, once it's here, we're gonna make a keyframe, and then by the end of, by like right here, well, let's go like right there. I like that. We're going to bring this scale thing, so we're gonna bring it up, just like that. We can even bring it like that, and there we go. Now we have. Boom. Easy. Now add some music to that. Maybe adjust the speed. Let's go speed, fast. Or we can just compound clip that. You can see what I'm doing. I'm just right clicking, then compound clip. Then just fast. Let's go 8 times. No, too fast, too fast. Oh, that's a little faster. Easy. Harley J. Add some music, like I said. Add some music to that. Booyah. Boom. It's perfect. It's like amazing. It's good. It's good, real good. Now we don't need any transitions or effects. We can just do this, and boom, we got this. You already see what we got, right? Yeah, you see what we got. You already see it's so good. Look how good that is. That's just a simple zoom, and it's a little magnificent. It's like magnificent. Because it just makes sense, right? Like, you know what I mean? It makes sense. It makes sense. We zoom in and it appears. See? Now I'll just double click on this so we can go into the next clip. Now, the farther you take this, the the bigger it will be. What I mean by that, look. Versus. Wait for a long time because we're still zooming in. I mean, this is when we finally get it. So I'm gonna keep it here because I like it, and I like it how it is, and I like my videos perfect, and I like it out like that. You know what I mean? Yeah. So we got that. We already got this. We got this. We got this to the top. We got this. I don't know what you're talking about. I don't know. I'm dumb. I'm stupid. Whatever. If it's copyrighted, oh, I'm sorry. You could go. Well, you wouldn't go to jail, but you might go to court. And if you make money from your YouTube videos, you probably will not make any more money, and all the money you make will go to the person who created the audio. So if you don't have permission to use the audio, easy. Now, here's one last thing. When you're doing this, and I do not know even what I did. When you're doing this, you gotta give me credit. Just please give me credit. Say Harley J. Say thanks for teaching me how to make this type of intro. Check out Harley J. And then put a link to my YouTube channel. Thanks, that would really help. Now, if you don't know what my YouTube channel is, easy. You're already here. You can just hit the link in the description. You already know. You know what I'm talking about. You know. You're flat. You don't. Well, you're not a dodo. And you're not even dumb. And you're nice. You're sweet. Whatever. Right now, I kind of don't really care. So you know what? Peace out.